Hello, this is Decimal. Today I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset, which is going to wipe everything off your K.O.II, and then I'm going to show you how to put all the samples that it comes with back on the unit. So first off, to get started, you're going to want to turn it off. Then the next step is you're going to want to hold two keys, and that's erase and shift, and then you want to turn the unit on. After doing this, I keep holding down the buttons, but you don't have to do this. You can just release. It's going to say FMT, and it will delete everything and do a factory reset. Now there is nothing on the unit. It is completely blank. Do not do this unless you really want everything off. If you want to put stuff back on, I have a solution for you. So in the description and on the pinned comment, I'm going to leave a link to a Google Drive with the original samples that come with the unit. So you can just download them there and then follow with the next step. And the next step is we're going to be using the online utility tool for the device. So let's get into it. All right, so with your device USB connected, I'll leave a link to the utility tool in the description as well. You can now look at what you have on the device, and obviously it's blank. So we are now going to click and drag the samples over. First, we're going to start with the kick drum. So here are all the kick drums, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click all of them and then drag them over. But after highlighting all the samples, you want to make sure that the first one you click is number 1, or else you're going to get a mismatch import like you see here. This only matters if you care about the original position the samples were in. If you look at the top, you see kick 7 is in slot 1. So I was able to figure this out and import the kicks properly. Now let's do the snares. So I'm going to click on the snares tab and click and drag all the samples over. This is pretty straightforward. I'm going to do the same thing for the cymbals, the percussions, the bass, and the melody. Now you have a K.O.II with the factory samples inside. Let me know if you found this video interesting, and let me know what you want me to cover next. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out.